The US digital dollar is no longer a theory, it's rolling out. And if you don't prepare now, your money, privacy, and freedom could be at risk. Here's what every American needs to know and do before it's too late. This isn't crypto, it's programmable, trackable, and government issued. The digital dollar will change how you spend, save, and invest. But you still have time to take control. Step 1. Diversify your cash. Keep physical cash for emergencies. Digital systems can glitch, freeze, or be geo-restricted. A few $100s in bills could be your lifeline. Step 2. Open a decentralized wallet. Use platforms like MetaMask or Exodus to store assets outside government-controlled systems. This gives you optionality and privacy. Step 3. Invest in hard assets. Gold, silver, and even real estate are immune to digital manipulation. As the dollar goes digital, tangible assets become more valuable. Step 4. Educate yourself. Learn how programmable money works. The Fed's digital dollar could include spending limits, expiration dates, or location-based restrictions. Knowledge is power. The digital dollar is coming fast. You can panic or you can prepare. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who still thinks cash is king, because soon it won't be.